Good morning, dear students. Today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter number 5, Force and Pressure. In this chapter, we will read about the force as push or pull, how our forces acted due to interaction, what are effects of force, kinds of force, how is pressure exerted by liquid and gas, and what do you mean by atmospheric pressure. So, first of all, look at the pictures. In this picture, some objects are moving, some are stopping, while some are not. You also know that a moving body on the ground slows down. The speed can slows down and it sometimes it may change its direction of motion. Sometimes it changes its speed, sometimes the direction, sometimes the moving objects get stopped down, and sometimes the objects which are in rest condition, that means in stationary object starts moving. So now some question arises in our mind that what makes a body slow down or change its direction? Why the stationary body starts moving? So we often say that it is a force, and what is a force? So force is a push or a pull. Living things move by themselves, but non-living things need some actions such as opening, shutting, kicking, hitting, lifting, pushing, pulling, etc. So, for example, when you open a drawer, you are pulling. When you are lifting the school bag, again, pulling is there. When we close a drawer, we are pushing it. And when we kick football, again, we are pushing it. So, many examples are there from our daily life when we push or pull the objects. So you can also try to identify action involved in many such situations from the daily life. One table is given here, identifying actions as push or pull. First is a cricket ball hit by a batsman. This is push. Drawing a bucket of water from a well. It is pull. Moving a book placed on a table. Either it is push or pull. Opening a drawer is pull. You can write some other examples also here and find out the actions which is involved in it. So we notice that to move an object it has to be pushed or pulled. So it is clear that a push or pull of an object is called a force. The direction in which an object is pushed or pulled is called the direction of the force. The direction in which the object is pushed or pulled, that is direction of the force. So now a question arises in our mind that when does a force come into play? That means कि force कब apply हो सकता है? It is due to an interaction when two objects interact with each other, then only the force applies there. In figure A, you can see that a man is standing behind a van. As the man is standing only, no movement in van can be seen. In figure B, the man starts pushing the van, and in this situation van moves in forward direction. That is in the direction of applied force. As the man is pushing it from behind, so it will move forward. And why the van starts moving? Because there is interaction between the man and the van. In figure C, both the boys appear to push each other